Assalamualaikum. My name is Shabir Manhazri. I'll be presenting the group project for calculus with my teammate Akmal and Alip. So I'll start first. Question 1, explain the meaning of differentiation. So as we know, we learn a lot about graph. So differentiate play by the graph. So let me create one simple graph for us to see. Okay, let's say we got the the first point is here, and our test is to find the next point is here. So we will likely use the normal gradient formula, which what is the gradient formula? Is the change of y equal to change of x, y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So this is the gradient formula, excuse me. But since we need to find the change here, we'll slightly adjust the formula to this one, which is fx plus what h, excuse me, h minus fx divided by h. Why is it? Because let's say this is x and this is x and this one is xh and xh and this one is xh. See, so this is the formula we'll use to find the specific midpoint we want. So let's say the h play a crucial part in it. Of course we want to let's say we want to find here, that is where the h came along, but we cannot get it too close, excuse me, we cannot get it too close, like because it need a certain it has a certain it at a certain level, but not zero, because it is impossible. That is where the lim came from, or the limit h is zero. So it can come across zero, but not specifically zero. Maybe 0.1 is the closest. So that is differentiation.
Assalamualaikum and hi, I'm Muhammad Akmal. Today I'm gonna do a question 1B. The question asked is list and explain briefly 4 common techniques of differentiation. And the first common technique of differentiation is a product rule. Product rule. So what is product rule? Product rule is the technique where whenever a function is made of two different terms multiplied together, which we can write as y equals to uv. Y equals to uv. But according to what we learned, the shortcut formula that we can do is dy over dx equals to u v prime plus vu prime. That is for product rule. So what is the second common techniques of differentiation? The second techniques of common techniques of differentiation is quotient rule. Quotient rule. The quotient rule is essential when we are dealing with division, specifically when one differentiable function is divided by another, written as y equal to u over v. And for this techniques, the formula that we can use is dy over dx equals to vu prime minus uv prime. So there is for quotient rule. So there is 4 question rule. What about the the third common techniques? The third common techniques is that we call chain rule. So the chain rule is when we apply the chain rule is when we encounter a composite function, meaning there is function nested inside another function. So to solve this smoothly, we have to introduce a new variable, usually u, to represent the inner function. Leibniz notation makes it clear. So there is for this techniques, we can use the formula like this: dy over dx equals to dy over du multiplied by du over dx. That's it for chain rule. So let's move to the last common techniques of differentiation. For the last technique of common techniques of differentiation, it is what we call implicit differentiation. Differentiation. This is for the last technique. So for the last technique, our fourth technique is implicit differentiation. We usually use this technique when there's function written explicit as y equals to something. But sometimes when x and y are complete tangled together on both sides of the equation, when that happens, we differentiate both sides with respect to x. Term by term, the golden rule to remember what is the time differentiate a term containing. Why we must attach a dy over dx right next to it because of the chain rule. Once that is done, we simply rearrange the terms to isolate and solve for dy over dx. That's it. That is for question 1B. Thank you.
Hi, madam. My name is Muhammad Alif Nazmi, Muhammad Najmi. I will do a question 2. Okay. Question 2 is 7x log base EX. So using product rule, the formula is d over dx equals to u e plus u no v u prime. Yes, that's the formula. So let u equals to 7x, v equals to ln x. So differentiate, we get 7, v prime we get 1 over x. So Substitute in formula 7x 1 over x dy dx. So plus ln x 7, and we will get equals to 7 plus 7 ln x. So the final answer is dy dx equals to 7 1 plus ln x. Final answer. So the question. We go to a B. B the need x minus 1 sine 2x. So using quotient rule, the formula is d over dx equals to d u prime minus ub prime divided by, so let u equals to 1, v equals to u equals to x minus y, v equals to sine 2x. Differentiate u prime, we get 1, v prime, we get 2 cos 2x. Okay, substitute in formula dy dx equals to sine 2x 1 minus x minus 1, 2 cos 2x sine 2x square. Final answer is dy dx equals to sine 2x minus 2x x minus 1 cos 2x divided by sine 2x. No.
And now let's move to the question 3. This is the question 3 that is given. Like we have to find dy over dx using implicit differentiation. So for the question, set x plus y over x plus y equal to 4x. Well, the first step is we have to cross multiply to remove the fraction. So it's gonna be like this. Plus y. X. So, for x, y. This is after we cross multiply and we expand it. And for the next step, we have to break down both left hand side and right hand side, just like how we do. For the left hand side, we might have to use chain rule concept where the inner function is u equal to x plus y. So after we use the chain rule, it's gonna be like this. Equal to set 10 plus y. Yes. This is the first step after we change rules. So there's another step that's sec x plus y. Ten x plus y. French 1 plus dy over dx. This is for the left hand side. Now let's move to right hand side. For the right hand side, we might have to differentiate term by terms. And for the x, for the 4xy part, we must apply the product rule. So this u for x v y to be u prime for v prime equal to dy dx. This is for the u and v, and for the u prime and v prime. Now let's move for the next step. D over dx equal to x plus for x dy over dx plus y shape 4. And after this, we might have to break down the bracket. X plus 4xy equal to x plus 4y plus 4x dy dx. And this is for the right hand side. We have to combine both sides into the main question now. So after we combine it's be like this. Fine. 10 plus y should 1 was dy, so that's equal to x plus 4y plus x dy over dx. This is for the left hand side and right hand side for these two. Now let's move for the next step. For the next step, we might have to expand the group. We might have to expand and group the dy dx terms. So that means distribute set as we have to distribute this x plus y, then x plus y into the parentheses of the left hand side. So it will be so much like this. Plus y plus x plus z x plus y plus y 10 dy over s equal to 8x plus 4y. What we have gonna do now, we have to move all the terms containing dy over the x to the left hand side and move all other terms to the right side. So it will be so much like this. Set y x equal to 8x. So yes, 10 x y. And this for the second step. And for the third step, we have to factor out the dy over dx and we have to solve it. So that's mean we have to divide dy dx. So that's mean it will be dy dx equal to x plus 4y. Okay, x plus y over z x plus y can x plus y for x. And this is after we factor out this. So we are gonna do yx plus y factor out the function. And I think that is all. After all this, and this is the answer for the question 3. So I think that is all for me. Thank you.
Thank you to the last presenter. I'll be finishing this presentation for my last part, question 4. So let's jump into it. Use linear approximation to estimate the value of 4.02 power by 2 ln minus ln, excuse me, ln uh, barricade 4.02. So correct to 3 decimal places. So let's begin. There are multiple steps here. So the first step is to identify it. So identify. So we put the number back here. 0.2 power by 2 minus ln 4.02. So with this we just change the number to x. So it's 4.02, we change it to x, and then power by 2, the power, the symbol remain the same. So the second one is ln, and then x again. We just change the number to x. So that is the first step. Now for the second step is to differentiate it. You need to differentiate the fx. So the first one is this fx equal to x2. Now we differentiate it. It'll turn to f prime x2. We put it aside there, and then it'll turn to 2x, while ln will turn to 1 over x. So this the two main for main answer will use a lot. So that is step 2. Now step 3 is to determine the value of x and x0 to find the slope of x. So that is step 3. Step 2, determine the value. So what is x? We just take back the answer from here. X is 4.02. So let me write it back. 4.02. And then x0, we need to find a number closest to it. So let's say 4. And then the formula is x, the formula of slope x, excuse me, slope x is x minus x0. So what will that get us? It will get us 4.02 minus 4, and we'll get 0.02. This is the slope of x. Now step 4 is to compute the value of fx, fx0, and f prime x0. This one we just put the formula back in. So step 4 is fx, the normal kind, which is what is f? Uh, the f will be using 4. Let me fix it, is fx0. So what is fx0? Is this one. So we'll put it back. It'll be 4 here. And then we use the first formula. We got the normal one, which is this x power by 2 minus ln x. So we just put the formula back. The x will turn to, let me write it first, x2 minus ln x. So we change the formula. We'll get f2 minus ln 4. So what will that, excuse me there. So this we just kick our calculation in the calculator, and then we'll get, for this part is 14.6137. But since the answer want us in 3 decimal, we'll give we'll turn it to 14.614. So that's the first one. Now it's for the second one, which is the f prime plus x0. So like the first part, we need to change the we need to we need to kick back the formula. So what is the formula for the new f? It is 2x minus 1 divided by x. So f x f4, and then what is it again? 2x 2x minus 1x. So we just put the formula back, 4, 1, 4, and then the answer we'll get is 7.75. Now for the next part, we just put everything back into a formula. So the formula will be, this is step 5. The final step, step 5, put everything in the formula for the last calculation. The formula will be fx0 plus the slope of x, and then it will be f as, oops, sorry, it will be fx again, x0, plus f associate x0 of slope x. So since we have calculated the first one, so what is f0 slope is the x 0.2, and then this, we don't focus on this part, just the calculation, which is the right part here. So what is fx0? Like I said before, that is this one right here, this part right here, boom. So it'll be 14.614 plus by the second kind, which is this one right here. So we'll multiply it 7.75 because of this part right here. The slope of x, which is 0.02, where we just counted from this part right here. So we kick everything in the calculator and we'll get 14.7687, or the 2 decimal 14.769. So that is the final answer. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And that is, so this will be the final answer. Thank you so much.